I'm comfortable with that. Submit that. Order.
Order filled.
Order filled at 405. You can see that here. We're at 405 for a strong finish. We have room to run this to 05, right? So 045, so 0445-ish would be my 10%. So I'll put a sell order for that. Just very, very nice and clean. Don't overthink it. 0.045 sell is in the system. And we'll see if I get filled by the end of the day on it. If not, potentially a swing for Tuesday. I just really like this pattern. And I like the gap we have to the resistance. And I have room for this thing to go. So might dip back and forth a bit, so not getting shaken out by that, but have a bit of a somewhat of a news. And anybody who's short is probably turning into a buyer here, right? So that's what I'm trying to play off of. Bring this bad boy back into focus as well. Yeah, this is strong to me. We might get a sell-off and it's that sort of day trader sell-off that I would want to buy up for the long weekend, right? So I'm gonna stay patient for the end of the market close on this one. And I think this one has got the potential to run. Look at the level 2 stacking coming in. The ask is starting to go away. Big size pushing through. We get to showcase a good trade on this one here. 411 stacking up. They're backing off on the ask. $415 stacking up, backing up on the ask. Can we keep this going? These are typically shorts, okay? They're covering, they're freaking out. Momentum buyers are coming in. They're chasing the spike. Typically, right? 416, but can we get a stack? That's the big thing. We have some sellers, and this might be a painful route all the way up because of all these levels that we have psychological interest. 418 by 42, big sellers at 42. I want to see that get chipped away. I want to look at this versus a time and sales tape and see how this works. Nice stacking on 419 there. 442 is going away. Look at that. 42 is chipping away. Can we get 422 to come up here? 43 is up now. Look at that. 426 by 43. Very, very nice. $428 by 427. Need some more buyers. Like this. 429, 43. We have very light asks. Good bids. I hope you can sort of see the impact of how the prices jump when they stack. And understand, we're up about 5% right now, so it wouldn't be uncommon for there to be a slight pullback. Sellers might put a bit of pressure into this, buyers might be exhausted. That's all very normal. 428 by 429, so not as much stacking, but can we move the prices up? Nice stacking on 428. Can we chip away at 429? Yeah, we do. 4.3 now. Can we chip away 4.3 and get a 4.35? Right? This is the constant thing going on in my head. Okay, 4.3 by 4.33, 4.32 by 4.33. That's very nice and tight. 4.35. Can we get 4.4? It's kind of like going to an auction and buying a horse. Okay. That's the conversation you're having with yourself the whole time. 436 by 437. Very, very nice. Speed of the time and sales tape is also very encouraging. I'm going to sell half position at 044 if I can get it. Sell half. at 0.44. That's been transmitted.
Order cancelled.
So canceled my other order to leave room for this cell to go. Lots of stacking coming here. I wouldn't be surprised for a minor pullback before the second run. If I can sell, you know, about that into 0.44, about, you know, 65,000 shares out of the 125. And sorry, I'll bring this in here. You can see a little bit. So a little bit of toppy price action here. That's usually healthy for a stock to continue. Nice stacking there, you see that? It kind of flashed and disappeared. So let's see if we can chip away 436 and test 439 here. Very nice, 439, we'll get 44. I'll probably get filled at 44, I wouldn't be surprised.
Order filled.
I'm fully filled at 44. We have 60,000 shares remaining. And let's change that. Now I'm gonna let it be a level 2 exercise. I'm not gonna set a price target. I've locked in some profits at my 15% mark roughly. So now I'm gonna let it be a level 2 exercise on deciding where this is gonna become toppy, okay? And what I will usually do for that is I will switch this over to a market order so that when I see the reversal, I can just submit and it just fills me at the best price in the level 2 that I see the reversal. I don't want to chase it down, okay? So I'm going to pull this off to the side so I can focus on this ending here. And then I'll submit this. I'll probably be out all today. I don't think I'll be holding this for the weekend just because we are filling the gap. I don't know what's going to happen. And the news isn't that amazing. So the ask is getting pretty light, and so is the bid. So this might be one of those times that I might have to just pull the trigger. We're starting to get a bit more on the ask now than we have on the bids. Right, you see that? 441 and 44 and 43 on the bids, which I don't like. 44, I'm out. I'm gonna get out of this. Yeah, dismiss. Just try to get me out here.
Order filled.
I'm all out at 44. I'm happy with that. You start seeing how the level 2 starts getting heavy on the ask here. I'm very content with that trade. You can see that right here. Bought the breakout. Now the reversal is happening. I'm out of that reversal. Beautiful. You know, what was this? I guess 10% trade. Very nice 10% trade. Very good exercise on level 2. Very good exercise for you to see how I process level 2 into my perception when making decisions. How I call the top when I see reversal. Yeah, that was... I'm actually happy we got to see that. I'm actually happier you got to see that than seeing the squeeze on GMER. Because that is a way more valuable exercise than you know, just seeing me in hindsight or just seeing me push buttons. Like this is the beauty of the OTC. And you know, when I talk about repeating 10% profit, cutting losses, whether that's through averaging down or just purely cutting at 2 to 4%, if you have a horrible win ratio, you're still looking at roughly 600% return on your account year after year. Okay, and that's a full-time trader. So very, very happy that you got to see what that process is live finally after almost, what is it? Some of you it's almost been a year, but most of you 4 or 5 months. But this is very nice. I'm very happy to capture that. This is what I do, guys. Okay, so what you just saw right there on the OTC game, that's how my brain works, and I hope you can replay that video back and forth as many times as you need, and just memorize the last, what would that be? The last 6 minutes, and just commit that to memory, and you'll find the OTCs are actually very, very nice. Okay, so GGII. So now I guarantee you somebody's going to ask, how did you know GGII was going to run? I didn't. Right? I didn't know GGII was going to run, but this is classic framework. Right? Like, you know, got the, you know, dead, perk, consolidation, spike, crash, spike, crash, spike. Like, it's like the bouncing ball, right? That's why, like, this is, I guess it's a percent gainer now, so you would have found it in hindsight. But this is the percent gainers caught back here that I'm still watching like a hawk, 2.5